As you can see, the lawn is filled up quite a bit, but I do have some spots there that are kind of struggling, and the Bermuda grass is not quite wakened up. So I'll show you how to remediate those areas. If you don't have a dethatching rake, you can use a stiff rake like I have here and just kind of rake through this area and just loosen up all the debris. You don't have to go crazy on it. After you have scalped the lawn, you can bring your hide cut back up. Bermuda grass tends to do well with heights 2 inches or less. So just remember, the lower you go, the more of a commitment you have to mowing more frequent. At this point, you'll need to look at your lawn to decide on how you're going to fertilize it. If it's still thin or has a lot of bare areas, you will need to push some nitrogen, maybe give it another round of ammonium sulfate like I did in my previous video. Or if your lawn's completely filled in, you can go ahead and back down on the nitrogen and apply a balanced fertilizer. It could be any product according to your liking. So just remember, when you're transitioning or whenever you're trying to get your Bermuda grass out of dormancy, you'll need to be patient. You're working with Mother Nature. Sunlight and temperature will ultimately dictate the growth of your Bermuda grass.